Alright, so halfway into cleaning the engine bay. Well, not even close to halfway. Things haven't been going as planned, so already so far I'm cleaning down here. Rusted bolt, that right there. It's literally not even, like, look at that. That's a chunk of rust out of that bolt holding up the grill. As you can see, what I use here, those cotton buds, are completely covered in moss because this has been living in a very damp environment for most of its life. So yeah, I've just been cleaning around here and the grill, the front of the car, all of this front part of the car is gonna be cleaned out, or has been cleaned out. Soon I'm gonna get to the actual engine where there's like a lot of grease and oil, and like you can see it's not that clean. So I'm gonna clean that all. I've cleaned like the battery, all of that cover, the fan cover. I'm gonna finish off here, unfog the headlights, and then I'm gonna get to the rest of the engine bay. It's not all gonna happen today, but it'll happen hopefully pretty soon. Give it a bit of a hoover. Time to clean. Alright, there we go, the complete product. It's kind of hard to see because it's dark. That's the complete product right there. You can see all the attention to detail I've put in this. Every little corner and gap, even in there, and even behind here, that was all greased. On top of that. Starting on the main head of the engine here, just put a bit of degreaser on it, and then, yeah. But it is pretty clean. A lot cleaner than when I started. I'll finish off next time, but yeah, that's what the engine bay is looking like now. So a little bit better, but mainly just that bar there, or that thing there is the main thing that I got done. So yeah, and then there, it is pretty clean in there, that's for sure. Under the hood, the actual bonnet itself is clean. But yeah, that's it for today, because done a lot. Say I spent probably 2 to 2.5 hours, at least 2 hours, cleaning just the engine bay. And I'm not even done, like, cleaning it. I will be done next time, but probably at least cleaning the engine bay, I'm going to put in 3.5 hours, 4 hours work. So yeah, eventually everything will be sprayed another color, like this main part of the head here. I'm going to pull all of this off and get that completely, like, it's so oxidized. Like, you can see how oxidized even the alternator is and all that, but it will be eventually really clean and shiny again, like it was supposed to be. But yeah, that's it for now, and I'll continue in the next one.